Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm in such a good mood today. I had a really productive day at work, and when I came home, a net-a-porter order finally arrived and I'm so excited. I actually purchased a new handbag last week and this package took way longer to arrive than net-a-porter orders usually do. So I'm so excited that it finally is here. I actually have never seen this handbag in real life, so I can't wait to open it. I hope it looks just as amazing as I think it will, but let's open it together. I did bring my scissors. I'm so excited to see it. And here you can already see the net-a-porter envelope. And I always love net-a-porter so much. They have such a good selection. So in here is my receipt and my return label in case I want to return it. But hopefully I won't have to return it. And here you can already see which brand I got. So I bought a Laurent bag. And look at this gorgeous black dust bag. I think their dust bags are just so classy, and actually I ordered this handbag last week while they had the seasonal added sale, so I actually got it for 20% off, which I just love. I always love getting a discount. But let's put it out of the dust bag. Here is my new handbag and oh my god, I think it's love at first sight. Isn't this so gorgeous? So this is the envelope bag and I have it in silver with silver hardware and it's so gorgeous. It actually is quilted, so you can see it, and it is grain calf skin and I just love it so much. How gorgeous is this bag? Also look at the YSL plug. It looks gorgeous and it actually has a pocket at the back. Let's try to put my phone in. Yeah, it fits my phone so perfectly. How cute is this bag? I love a back pocket to put my phone in. It is always super handy. And you can actually wear this bag crossbody like this. So I really like crossbody bags. But you can also wear it doubled up like this, which I really like as well. I think the strap is just the perfect length. For size reference, I am 175 centimeters tall, so this length of the chain is just perfect for me and I really like it. Let's have a look inside. So I have never seen it inside. Oh, here's paper. And here's the inside. It actually has one really big compartment and a little compartment in the back where I think there's the authenticity card inside. Let's put it aside. But I really like it and it looks so spacious. It will sure fit loads. I think you can definitely put in your wallet, phone, even sunglasses, lipstick of course. It fits actually loads. So if you're interested in a what's in my bag video of this envelope bag, I can definitely film it. It has a snap closure, which I really like as well. And actually, if you have seen my Dior review, my Lady Dior sparked this purchase because I recently did a review, and if you have seen it, my Lady Dior is silver as well. I can actually show it to you. Here's my Lady Dior and I wear it so often, and I thought I'd get another silver bag because I don't want to ruin this bag and I really honestly wear it so much. So I thought another silver bag would be a great idea, and I couldn't be happy about this one because I think it just looks so classy. The envelope bag in general is a really classy model for Saint Laurent, so I really like it. But as well as classy, it looks really edgy, so I think this bag will look cute with many different outfits, and I really can't wait to style it, and I'm super happy to add this to my collection. But yeah, that's actually already it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you like this bag, please give it a thumbs up. I always enjoy watching handbag unboxing so much, so I hope you like this video as well. And if you are interested in a what's in my bag video, please comment down below so I know to film it. And if you love luxury just as much as I do, I would love for you to consider subscribing down below for more videos.